Hello, Avon family and friends. I got my first order on the new round of being an Avon representative. You know, I've been doing this for a long time, off and on. Took a little break and now I'm back. Yay, go me. So let's see what we got in here today. We have some Campaign 9 brochures. Yay. I know a lot of people are digitally oriented, but there are some old school people who still like getting a good old fashioned brochure. And so here we are. We have our Campaign 10 preview. Ooh. I got this for me. It's a Studio 1889. Oh, it don't say. Hold on. Gotta find the right side. Check out the name. You know who that's for. That's for me. We'll get into that in a minute. We also got... I know I'm not as good at this. The, what's new for Campaign 11. I'm excited to get into that. We also got the Hanes little mini brochure. Now, I got to tell you guys, I absolutely love these bras. I buy bras from this thing every single time they come out with something new. I like a front hook, so if you need some bra advice, hit me up. Got some samples. Maybe we'll do a video with this, because this is new. Whipped lip and cheek tint. I am kind of excited to try it, to see what it looks like on my a bit older face, if you will. Got a couple of those so I can share. I think this is the coolest thing that I have gotten. Yeah, Mother's Day gift for self. There's a couple of pairs of socks in here, and they say different things. We'll have a little reveal of what's inside here in just a minute as well. And then I had a customer order the Sweet Honesty. That's a classic fragrance, and if you've never tried it before, hit me up. I'm pretty sure I got a sample of it, so I can let you know what it smells like. And for you guys who have been with me for a while, and I got some friends who've been around a while, you know this is like the best smell good stuff ever. Then we have the lotion to go with it. Some Sweet Honesty scented perfume skin softener. And you can just use this every day. It's not something that you have to use when you get out of the shower. You just have a little bit of dry skin. You wake up every morning or come home from work and just do a little lotioning. All right, well, it was a small haul this time, but they'll get bigger as we go. Hope you enjoyed. We'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.